Okay, so once you've put your placement lines onto your front of your jacket, you're now going to create the welt pocket. So you should have interfaced the one of your pieces of fabric, and it should be 6 centimeters, and then you should have your background pocket bag. So what we need to do, if this is our center front, we need to place our pocket with the interfacing down on this side here, and you're making sure that these distances here are the same. So you're putting it right on that line. Then you need to get your other pocket bag, and you're going to line it up next to it along that line. Once you've done that, you then need to get your pins and pin it down. Okay, so making sure it's on the line. You're going to put about 3 pins in for each one. And our pocket is going to be, its finished length is going to be 14 centimetres. So at the moment, this pocket bag here is nearly 23 centimetres. So we need to find the pocket bag within here. So to make it even for you, we need to measure out 4.5 centimetres on each side and put a mark. I'm going to get a different colour. Okay, and so once you've measured up, you then should be measuring 14 centimetres because that's our finished pocket, and putting a mark. And then this one here should technically be around 4 to 4.5. Cool. So once you've done that, let's move that down. You're going to put a line across. Okay, and another one, and that's your 14 centimetres. So once you've done that, we then need to measure out 1.5 from the line and roll the line, because that's where you're going to be stitching. So 1.5 each side. You need to try and get this as accurate as possible, because once you finish stitching it, it needs to be 2 parallel lines which are technically 3 centimetres apart. That's line 1. You're going to measure out 1.5 again on this side. And roll a line. Okay, and once you've done that, so you should be 1.5 out each side. It should be 14 centimetres long. So once you've done that, you need to go ahead and jump on the sewing machine with a 1 foot. You're going to start at this corner, and you're going to do your back stitching here. You can't go past it, and you can't start or stop before it. It's got to be right on that anchor point. You're then going to sew down that line and finish here, and repeat on this side as well. So you'll have 2 parallel lines.